So we finished last time with the black outlines. If you haven't seen that one, go back and watch the first part of this two-part video. But we're now still in Photoshop, starting the colouring process. So yeah, putting down a base layer of dark grey and putting some highlights in there as well over the top. Already you can see it's starting to get some sort of depth. The sort of light and shadow already makes it kind of pop. The bits of the shiny metal look like they're coming a bit further forward than the darker bits, which might be around the edges or at the back. Now the selection tool here, and I like to sort of select the outside and then change it to invert the selection to get a nice feel for what's on there. So putting a few extra little dots around the edges of this one for highlights, and getting into some detail there of again the light and the shadow, which does tend to bring it out a bit more in a give it a bit more of a 3D feel. Keeping in the saving of the file there, it's always important. I kept it in there to remind you to save. Always save. There's so many times people, myself, I've done it numerous times, and I know lots of people who have done lots and lots of work and then lose it all. So do save, and there we go. We've copied and pasted it onto another piece of paper and scaled it down. So this is the piece of paper that's going to be printed out. So I want all of these designs to be on the same piece, so I can get as many stickers as possible out of a single sheet of A4. So I'm just pasting these little fish bots in all onto one sheet of A4. Getting them all lined up there. You see they start to look pretty good. You can see how they're going to come out as stickers now. I'm putting a little one in there just so as not to waste the space. We'll use the little ones as well as the big ones in this process. And once they are all in their lines, we can print them. And this is them coming out of my printer. Looking lovely. This is just a Canon inkjet printer, so pretty generic, nothing fancy, but it does the job on nice quality sticker paper. And here they are being sprayed. So this is a vinyl spray, which is going over the top of them, which protects them. It makes them feel a little bit rough, but it protects them from fading in sunlight and also from wear and tear. That is your finished sticker. There it is, so in all of its glory. So that is how we make stickers over here at Captain Fishbeard. If you would like to get one of these stickers, everybody who signs up to my Patreon after seeing this video and shoots me a message saying that you did it on the back of this at patreon.com/Tom Sparke, I'm going to send a bunch of stickers to. So yeah, let me know if you sign up on the back of this video and I'll send you some stickers over. Thanks very much. Cheers.